So I'm Jared Weaver. I work for GE Global Research, and I'm a technology manager for material processing and modeling with them. So I do have some background in polymer-derived ceramics. This workshop has let me see what's the newest innovations in the field and help me understand the way that academia is thinking about it and giving me that perspective that I don't always get with industry. So there are some potential things that I think have possibility. One is as a alternative fiber for ceramic matrix composites, whether they're going after a lower cost fiber through using lower cost precursors and processes, or as going an improved performance fiber, maybe targeting improved environmental performance at intermediate temperatures. That's one potential option. Another is they're already being used to some degree as matrices for ceramic composites. I think there are lots of other options. Anywhere that monolithic ceramics are being used today to manufacture thin structures, I think polymer-derived materials could potentially have an advantage there. So decreased in cost and offering new performance benefits that we don't get through traditional manufacturing methods. So I work mostly with our GE Aviation business, which is an aerospace industry. The challenges that they can help overcome, I think in large part, are going to be performance-based specialty applications where you need either a specialty coating or a specialty material that has a unique attribute to it that can't be manufactured any other way or produced any other way. I think it will play a role in it, but it's going to be hard to get these materials introduced. There's always a big step in between manufacturing it in a laboratory and transitioning it to something that's profitable for a company, and especially going into an aviation application where usually you have to go through a number of certifications for the components. Putting a new material in there is an expensive process. So it's not something we expect to happen next year. But these are usually multi-year cycles, but I think it's a good time to be advancing these materials into those applications. So in future workshops, I'm hoping to see more directly from the students presenting during the day. I know it's early into the program. They're just done with the second year. Next year, I'd like to see some of the students presenting. I know they're doing the posters. That's a great opportunity, but it's also good for them to speak and to get that experience in an environment that's as supportive as these workshops are. So I've enjoyed it. I think it's been a good workshop. I'm sorry I can't stay for the rest of it, that I have to leave a little bit early. But I just want to say thank you to all those that have been working these programs. We in industry appreciate the efforts that they're putting on or into these materials and would ask them to keep pushing forward.